Hey guys, welcome back to 2 weeks of Thanksgiving, where I teach you different recipes for your Thanksgiving or Friendsgiving dinners this year. Today's the last day of week 1 where I teach you the main dishes, and I'm gonna make stuffed bell peppers. Now, I forgot one of the main ingredients that I need, which is tomato sauce, but I had ingredients right here at home to make the sauce from scratch, so that's what I did. You can use a canned tomato sauce if you have that. Let's get started. Just gonna remove the interior, but not cut it too much because I still want the lid. So see that? I'm gonna remove this piece and then remove the inside so I can have space to stuff it with. This is the inside now. And for this, just cut this off. Now we can easily set this on top like this when it's in the oven. We're gonna keep doing that for all 4 of these. It has a baby. Aww. Oh my god. Oh, put that aside. Anyways, cut this off. And also try to get rid of the seeds because you won't need those. This one wasn't too straight. Last one, this is a little bit crooked. We're gonna try to make it work though. And now I'm making the seasoning for the bell peppers so they can be as flavorful as possible. And I'm gonna use a little brush to spread it onto the bell peppers. Alright, so all of our bell peppers are prepped. Next thing we're gonna have to do is make the stuffing on the stove. And for that, I use ground turkey, which I season really well before mashing it and making sure that the seasoning is evenly spread. So I created my own tomato sauce and it just finished in time for me to add the turkey. So I'm adding the turkey. Now I'm gonna mix everything in and break it down so the turkey can get this juice well blended with it. I also added oregano in at the end because I forgot to add that when I was seasoning the turkey. Once I was done, the turkey was well seasoned and mixed in with the tomato sauce and ready for me to add onto the bell peppers. And what I'm doing right now is adding a layer of the ground turkey into each bell pepper, followed by some cheese, followed by another layer and another layer of cheese. And the last thing I did was put on the lids before baking the bell peppers at 370 degrees for 50 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and you can see that they're shrinking a little bit. They're getting a little bit of color and the cheese is melting a little bit. We're gonna let this cook a little bit longer. All right, these got some good color. They're starting to tip a little bit and our cheese has melted completely. So now it's time to take them out and eat away.